Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we get one of the data with our this monthly fee view. I get all the data and I display it in our monthly view page, right? And also I pass our another field that will be as a monthly fee field, and in here I already set up our that means our fee category ID will be as a 2, right? So 2 ID is for our this monthly fee. So right now I'm getting this data, right? So now we have to update this portion. Also here I updated our route. So for here that will be one of the route, and into the route area I pass that class ID, and it will be that is student ID. And also now I add another one as a month and our requested month. Okay, which is the month you actually select from particular this field, right friend? So now let's do that work. For doing this, first of all I want to create this one, that means this route, that will be the student, not the registration. I make it as a monthly fee. Okay, registration monthly fee. So this type of one of the URL I want to create. So better I copy that route and now go to our web route. Into the web route, that will be our route name. I simply updated it because of all before that was actually student registration fee. So now I simply updated it, that will be as a student monthly fee and the pay slip. So here I want to load one of the PDF. So what exactly we did for our registration. So it will be just like that same, right? So that is a registration. So now I want to change it. That will be our URL monthly fee pay slip, and then in our monthly fee controller I want to create one of the method as a monthly fee pay slip. So this type of one of the method I have to create. So that will be just like our registration fee controller. Into the registration fee controller I create this same, right? So better I copy it, and now in our monthly fee here after this I paste it. Okay friends, so first work is we have to update our methods. Right now in our monthly fee we have created our method will be as a monthly fee pay slip. I copy it, so that will be as a monthly fee pay slip, right? So right now that is our request will be the student ID. Because of all from here I pass 3 of this, right? I pass that class ID, I pass that student ID, and also the month. So for the reasons here also we have to add another one. So I want to take another data, and I pass that our total field name as a month, right? So that will be as a month, and our month will be our requested. That means the requested, and into the requested I also pass one of the name, our name for this field as a month. So now I simply pass it. Okay, so here that will be our requested month. Perfect, and I get it, that is our data, and that is our variable name as a month, right? So after that there is our all students. So you can use that all student, rather than they have also one of the another variable. Better I want to now change it. I want to make it as a data. So right now if you change it, then I only want to pass this data, then automatically that will be pass our this variable as a month, and also it will be pass our details, right? Perfect. So better I want to make it as a data. So data in our assign student table with the student and the discount. I think you already know about every part. I have already discussed about a lot of the time. The condition will be just like that same, where student ID will be our student ID and our class ID will be the class ID. Then I get that first data, and then our PDF, the PDF load view into the backend. We have to create one of the file, right? We have to create one of the file, and after that here I want to do into this page, whatever the page I will create, here I want to pass 2 of this variable data. That is how I take it with this data array. So now I pass it. Okay, so here I change that all student to the data. So that is actually the dollar data. Okay friend, so that's all. And everything will be just like that same. Here we don't need to change anything. So now we have to create one of the PDF file. That means PDF file page structure. So that is in the backend, that is the student folder. Now I have created another folder as a monthly fee. So now I updated that part as a monthly. Okay, monthly monthly, right? That is a monthly fee. And also I want to create another one as a monthly fee underscore PDF. Okay, so this type of one of the page I want to create in our monthly fee folder. Now go to our monthly fee folder. Here I want to create one of the new page. Now click as a save as, and here I name it as a monthly fee PDF .blade.php. Okay friend, so now I simply update it. So as I told you, that will be just like our registration. Into the registration, that is our registration fee. Okay, so registration fee PDF. So now I copy everything. I copy everything from here, and now in our monthly fee here I paste it. Okay friend, so that will be just like that same. So here actually better I want to do after this. Okay, after this I take another field, then it should be better. I want to display that actually our monthly fee, right? I name it as a this is monthly fee or student monthly fee. Okay, better I name it as a student monthly fee. So that will be as a student monthly fee. And also for the for here, so I will do that things later. Also I want to actually update it into the registration page, so that will be as a student monthly fee. And then here that is our, that will be the same condition. Only we have to do, we have to update our fee category where free ID, because of all in particular that area I have also updated, right? There I have updated our fee category ID will be right now as a 2. 2 is means for our monthly fee, right? Now I want to update this part, so that will be our fee category ID as a 2 ID, right? So now I select as a 2. I hope it's very much clear to you friend. And then that will be the same. Okay, that will be the same, that will be also the same. And then that is a student ID, roll number, student name, father name, session, registration fee. So now I here that will be obviously as a monthly fee. That will be as a monthly fee will be the same. And then discount, that is our fee for this student. Here I want to display our month wise name. That means whatever the month you will choose from here, it should be actually display it, then that will be helpful. So that is our student, right? So into the student, after it I want to do and name it as a fee for this student of, okay, of. And then then here I want to display, I pass also another variable here. From to this position I also pass another variable as a month, right? So that will be our this month. So right now I want to display our this month, that will be as a month. Okay, that means now it should be displayed this month. Perfect. And also we have to update it the same things for our another one, because there is actually the 2. One is the student, that is our student registration fee. I make it as a monthly fee. And then that will be here I updated that name, so that will be our fee for this student of our this month. Okay, whatever the month you actually choose, that will be displayed this month. I also pass this month here with this data, right? So now we can actually use it, that means display this data in our monthly fee. So right here I simply display it. Okay, so now let's check this out friend. That's all we have to do. Now click as a save all. If everything okay, it should be worked. So in my Chrome, our PDF is not loaded. Better I want to open our another browser, and here first of all I log in, and now go to our student management, go to our monthly fee management. That means the monthly fee, I choose one of the year, I choose the class, I choose as a March. Okay, that will be as a March. I want to get that March was data, click as a search. So that is our all that student perfectly getting, and then it's showing all that our monthly fee, right? Perfect. And also you can see automatically it's calculated with our this monthly fee amount as a 10%. That is a 10% total monthly fee. So now if you click as a fee slip, yes, you can see friend, now it's redirected with what? It's redirected with the class ID, that is the student ID, and also after that I pass our month. Okay, and into the month area I pass that requested name, the requested name as a March. So I have selected for this one as a March, right? So now you can see it's now perfectly updated. And also now if you go here, now it should be very clear to you. So that will be our URL, right? So into the URL you can see I pass that month, and month our requested month. So whatever the month you actually select, so right now I pass it, so that will be our URL, right? So our URL is perfect. And after that, that is our student name, that is our monthly fee is updated, and you can see after that there is a fee for this student, and that is the March. Okay, so that is our dynamic March data. So for this report I use it as a March. For the reasons you can see it's now perfectly getting our this data, and also is updated on here. That means our 2 places is now updated. perfect. Okay, so now I want to check another one. I make it as a May, search it. Okay, I better go there. There is a monthly fee. I want to search another one as a 2018 class 1, and March I select as a December. Okay, now click as a search. There is a one data. Now open it. Open the free slip. Yeah, it's perfect. Your roll number, I didn't add this roll number for this student. I think you already know about it, how you can add it. So perfect. So that is perfectly visible. That is our monthly fee, and you can see it's now showing as a free for this student of December, and that is our total amount. Okay, so total amount is perfectly calculated. Here everything is great, right? I hope you like it very much. And one thing I'll also want to update, like that is our PDF format. Here I want to actually use one of the default company logo, that means our school logo. Okay, so if you want to use this type of the logo, how you can do that work, I show you. So for doing this, and also that is our student monthly fee, I want to make it as a little bold. So that is our free monthly fee. This portion, that is our student monthly fee, I make it a one of the bold tag. Okay, that means the B tag. So that will be one of the bold tag. I cut it and here I paste it. Now click as a save all, and here right now if you refresh it, yeah, that is the student monthly fee. Okay, that means that is your student monthly fee PDF. And then here I want to change that name. I want to use one of the demo logo. So if you go to your exercise file, I have already shared one of the file. If you go to the student demo picture, you can see there's a demo project. So now I copy it. I want to use this logo. So I copy it, and if right now if you go to that your project directory into the public, so into the upload folder, before I have used it one of the image as a no image, so I want to do and to paste it. Okay, so that is one of the PNG, and in our upload folder I have updated. So right now I want to do and to visible this image also in our PDF. If you want to do that work, that is have used it on here, right? So I will have to update this portion if you want to display the images. So here, so first work, I take one of the PHP block. Okay, I take one of the PHP block and take one of the variable as a image underscore path, this type of one of the variable, and then our location. Okay, so that is into the upload folder, and the upload our file name. So into the upload folder, I have already uploaded this file name, so that is our file name as a easyschool.png. I copy it, and that will be as easyschool.png, right? So after that you have to actually finish it, that means finish that PHP. So I close that PHP on here. Okay friend, and after that I want to use that our image tag. I take one of the image, and into the image tag here I want to get our public, that means our public path, public underscore path. So our public path will be our this image path. Okay, so I want to make it as a, I take our appropriate location, I take the things with this variable. So now I simply display this variable. Okay, so that will be our image path. And also I want to put one of the white height. I put on the wide will be, I just name it, take it as a 200. Okay, and also I put one of the height I take it as a 100. Okay, so that is the things you have to do. So now let's check this out. If you now click as a save all, and now go there, click as a refresh. Yes, you can see it's perfect. Okay, it's actually now looking great. So that is our logo. So right now for education purpose, I'm using one of the demo project logo. So if you want to use your school logo, you can use it, and that is our monthly fee. That is student monthly fee. I hope friend is very much clear to you. So here I take one of the variable as the image path, and that is our image is located. So that is image into the upload folder, and then our image name, right? And after that I take one of the image tag, and there is the src. I simply published it. That is our public path, that means a public, and after that is our location. I simply add this variable on here, and also after that I use one of the wide height, and everything is now perfectly great. So friend, I also want to actually update it for our another one. if you go to our registration fee, into the registration fee also I want to update this. If you open it, you can see there is a previous one, but I want to update this part. So that is in our registration fee, and that is a PDF, right? So with the PDF here, so that is our name. So I want to update this name. That name will be our this TD. I copy this TD, and now in our registration fee here I want to update it that TD. Okay, and also after that I want to add another one, so that will be another P tag. I copy it, and then here I paste it. That will be as a student registration fee. Okay, that will be the student registration fee. Now if you click as a save all, so also now it should be updated for our registration. Now click as a refresh. Yeah, it's updated, and that is our registration fee, right friend? Perfect. So that is our registration fee is updated. So there is a registration. Now if you go to our monthly fee, so into the monthly fee, now I select 2000 class 2, I make it as a February, click as a search, so they have some of the result, open it, and now perfect, that is our student monthly fee. Everything is just great, and that is our student as a February, right friend? Great. So I hope you enjoyed very much. So here we successfully complete our another portion. I successfully complete our student monthly fee, and now in our next video I want to complete that is student exam fee. So that will be just like that same. So don't worry, in our next video I will show you also that things with the live example. Okay, so here that will be just like that same. So that is our monthly fee, registration fee, everything is great. Okay, everything is great. So everything I will copy it from our monthly fee, and we will develop our exam fee because of all into the our fee category. They have the another name as a exam fee, right? So now I also want to get all that our exam fee data, and then I want to visible it with the PDF. So that means with the PDF format it will be visible. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.